Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Story English, the podcast where learning English is simple, clear, and fun. My name is Michelle.
And my name is Benedict. Hello, Michelle. Hello, everyone. It is so good to be here today. How are you?
I am great, thank you. How are you?
I am a little hungry, Michelle.
Hungry already?
Yes, I am thinking about food. A big hamburger, fries, and a big soda. Yum.
That sounds delicious. You are making me hungry now, too.
Sorry, but it gives me an idea. It is a good topic for our podcast today.
That is a perfect idea. Let us talk about food. Let us talk about going to a restaurant.
Yes, a restaurant. Going to a restaurant and speaking English. It can be easy and fun.
Exactly. It is also a great way to practice English. So today, we will talk about English conversation in a restaurant.
That is a great topic. But first, everyone, please remember to subscribe to Story English.
Yes, and give this episode a like if you are hungry like Benedict, and share it with your friends and family. It helps us a lot.
Yes, it does. Thank you, everyone. So, Michelle, imagine I am at the door of a restaurant. What do I do? What do I say?
Good question. You open the door, you go inside, and you see a person. This person is the host or the waiter. You smile and say hello.
Hello? Simple. I can do that.
Yes, you can. Then you need a table. You say, "A table for two, please."
A table for two, please, if it is me and you.
Exactly. Or, "A table for three, please, if you have another friend." It is always a table for, and then the number of people.
A table for one, please, if I am alone.
Correct. And the waiter will usually answer with, "This way, please," or "Follow me, please."
And I follow the waiter to my table.
Yes. You sit down. And the first thing you need at the table is not the food, but the menu.
Ah, the menu. To see the food and to choose the food.
Right. Sometimes the waiter gives you the menu, but you can also ask for it. You can say, "Can I have the menu, please?"
Can I have the menu, please? That is polite.
Yes. And please is a very good word to use in a restaurant. It is always friendly.
Okay, so I have the menu. I open it. I see many words: starters, main courses, desserts, and drinks.
Exactly. Starters are small dishes you eat first, like soup or a small salad.
Soup. I like soup. Tomato soup is very good.
Me too. After starters, you see the main courses. The main course is the big dish, like chicken, fish, pasta, or your hamburger.
Hamburger.
And dessert is the sweet food you eat at the end, like cake, ice cream, or fruit.
I love dessert. Chocolate cake is my favorite.
A classic choice. Finally, drinks. Drinks are things like water, juice, or soda.
Perfect. So the waiter comes to my table with a notebook and asks, "Are you ready to order?"
Yes, that is very common. And you can answer, "Yes, I am," or "Yes, please." If you need more time, you say, "Just a minute, please."
That is useful. But let us say I am hungry and ready. How do I order? Do I say, "I want a hamburger"?
I want is okay, but more polite is "I would like" or "I will have."
I would like the hamburger, please.
Perfect. Or you can say, "I will have the hamburger, please." Both are natural.
Good. Let us practice. You are the waiter.
Hello. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I would like the tomato soup to start, please.
Tomato soup. And for your main course?
I will have the hamburger, please.
Excellent choice. And would you like anything to drink?
I would like a soda, please.
Perfect. The waiter may repeat your order to check. 1 tomato soup, 1 hamburger, and 1 soda.
And I answer, "Yes, that is right. Thank you."
Exactly. Then you wait, you talk, and the food arrives. The waiter says, "Enjoy your meal."
And I say, "Thank you."
Correct. During the meal, the waiter may come back and ask, "Is everything okay?"
And I can say, "Yes, it is delicious," or "Yes, everything is great. Thank you."
Delicious is a very good word. It means very, very good.
What if I need more water?
You make eye contact with the waiter, and when they come, you say, "Excuse me. Can I have some more water, please?"
Or can I have some more bread, please? Or can I have another soda, please?
Exactly. It is all simple and polite.
I finish my hamburger. I am full and happy. But dessert?
The waiter may ask, "Would you like to see the dessert menu?"
Yes, please. And then I say, "I would like the chocolate cake, please."
Perfect. Then, after dessert, it is time to pay. You get the waiter's attention and say, "Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?"
Or the check, please. Bill is more British, check is more American.
Exactly. Both are correct. The waiter brings the bill, and you can pay with cash or card. If you are not sure, you ask, "Do you take credit cards?"
Good tip. And when I give the money or card, I can say, "Here you are."
Yes. They take the payment, bring it back, and you are ready to leave. As you go, you say, "Thank you, goodbye."
That is polite and respectful.
Let us do a quick role play from start to finish.
Great idea. You are the waiter.
Hello, sir. Welcome.
Hello. A table for one, please.
Of course. This way, please. Here is your table.
Thank you. Can I see the menu, please?
Certainly. Here you are. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I would like the chicken with vegetables, please.
An excellent choice. Anything to drink?
Yes, I will have a glass of water, please.
Perfect. One chicken with vegetables and one water. Here is your food. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. It looks delicious.
Is everything okay?
Yes, everything is wonderful. Thank you.
Very good. Are you finished?
Yes, I am finished. Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?
Of course. Here is your bill.
Thank you. Here you are.
Thank you, sir. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
See? It is simple.
Yes, and the key words are please and thank you.
Always. Politeness makes every experience better.
I feel confident now. I think I can go to a restaurant and order in English.
I know you can, Benedict. And our listeners can too. Just start simple, order something easy, and smile. A smile is understood in every language.
That is true. A smile and please. That is my new strategy.
It is a perfect strategy. So, Benedict, what is your favorite food to order at a restaurant?
I love pizza. A big pizza with cheese and mushrooms.
That is a great choice. And I love pasta. Simple, tasty pasta with tomato sauce.
Now we are both hungry again.
That always happens on this podcast. But I hope this conversation has helped our listeners.
Yes, practice is important. You can even practice at home with a friend. One person is the waiter, one person is the customer.
Exactly. Do not be afraid to make mistakes. People are usually very friendly and will help you.
That is the most important tip. Just try. People will appreciate your effort.
Well, that is all the time we have for today. Thank you for listening.
Yes, thank you. We hope you feel more ready to order in a restaurant. Do not forget to subscribe to Story English and share this episode with your friends.
And for today's comment, please write, what is your favorite food to order in a restaurant?
Yes, tell us in the comments. Pizza, pasta, hamburger. We want to read your answers.
Thank you again. Until next time, keep practicing and keep smiling. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye for now.